Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition. They are high demand. These keywords are absolutely amazing. They are perfect to be used for the title or the subtitle for your medium or high content books. Utilize these keywords. They check all the boxes for profitability, and we are using 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of our keywords for today. So if you're interested in content such as this, we upload daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, doing the research for you so you can pay attention and put the effort into actually creating the books rather than the research phase. So if you're interested in videos such as this, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos, and linked in the description box below you can find a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP keywords, KDP interiors, graphics to use in your covers and interiors as well. Take advantage of the 30-day free trial. You will not be charged as long as you cancel before the 30 days is up if it's not for you. So let's go and dive into our first keyword for the day, which is social skills for teens, friendship skills. And this is beautiful. It fits the profitability metrics that we're talking about. First of all, we have a strong and solid keyword niche score of 63, green light, ready to go by self-publishing titans Chrome extension. We also have a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche and also complementing beautifully the 63 given by titans. So that was for the keyword niche score from both of the ends of the Chrome extensions that we're using. Coming to the total results, they are within that 1,000-2,000 range, sitting at 2,250. Average bestseller rank is slightly on the higher end. It is in the 500,000s rather than 400,000. So this would be ideal for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots on any of the books that we're going to talk about further. And it is averaging 547,100. Don't let that scare you, because you could utilize this wonderful keyword and take advantage of the opportunity that it gives you in order to rank your book for this keyword as well. So I wouldn't be too intimidated at the slightly higher end of the bestseller rank, because all the other metrics indicate profitability. The average reviews is 110 and average price is $12.40. So scrolling down, we do want to aim to get 2 to 3 books that are not sponsored on the first page that have a bestseller rank of under 100,000. We won't look at this because it is sponsored, so there are ads currently running. The same applies for this one. Coming down as well, we are looking for books that have a bestseller rank of under 100,000. Scrolling down, we are aiming to get hold of these books. This one, for example, 43,820 as the bestseller rank. Scrolling down further, we have our next book with 49,169 and 25,480. More than halfway through the page, we have reached 3 books with a bestseller rank of under 100,000. So that is also good to see as well. So ideal for either the 7 keyword slots or for the subtitle. This keyword can be used for any of the books also that you currently have published in your KDP portfolio that revolves around books for teens, whether it is a activity book, whether it is a workbook, whether it is a high content book. Go ahead and add this wonderful keyword to the 7 keyword slots, update it, and you will get your book ranking for this keyword and reap the rewards as well. Let's dive into our second keyword for the day, which is connected, and this one is very promising. This one's ideally used for the title. Why? Because it matches perfectly all the profitability metrics that we are talking about on the channel. First of all, a really strong and solid keyword niche score from both ends of the Chrome extensions that we're using to rely on the score. Self-publishing titans has given us a 71, which is really high green light, ready to go. Amazon Scout Pro seems to be agreeing with Self-Publishing Titan's score, and it has given us number 9, the highest on the scale, categorizing this as a great niche. Coming down to the total results, they are within that 1,000 range. Of course, the lower the better, and that is also a good indicator, totaling 1,200. The average bestseller rank is 155,647, which is below 400,000. The average reviews are 220. Average price is $15.03. And our keyword is social skills for teens with social anxiety, a beautiful long tail keyword that has what we need. You can either create a workbook, an activity book, a prompt journal. You can create a high content book where you would talk about maybe the top 30, the top 50 social skills that teenagers need to learn to overcome or manage their social anxiety. So you will have the audience ready to go. They're teenagers. Specifically, they are teenagers battling social anxiety. If anyone has social anxiety, you know how tough it is to have social anxiety as an adult, let alone a teenager. So we want to help these teenagers out there in a very easy to understand guide to help them overcome their social anxiety. And what better way than keeping it short and simple by coming up with strategies, maybe ideally a strategy per page, make it the top 30, make it the top 40 strategies, and really helping them with more practical ways to overcome or manage or accept their social anxiety and work through it using wonderful tools and strategies as well. Now, it's ideal to have a disclaimer section in your book because you're dealing with mental health, you're dealing with teenagers, so you want to have a disclaimer section saying that this is not to be used for medical, as an alternative to medical or mental health services. This is only a guide. This is only for informational purposes, but at the same time, your intention would be to help as well. So just keep in mind, include a disclaimer section to keep safe and just to get it out there would be best. Also, having a resource page would be amazing. Include some resources for these lovely teenagers to help them with their social anxiety, whether it's apps, whether it is some books that you could recommend, whether it's some podcast that you could recommend. Scrolling down as well, we have our first book with a bestseller rank under 100,000, sitting at 87,800, not sponsored, selling around 30 copies per month, generating around $200 on a monthly basis. Scrolling down, we have other books as well, 49,000, and this one's selling around 90 copies per month, 72,000 as the third book with a BSR under 100,000, and it's titled Social Anxiety Relief for Teenagers, Step-by-Step CBT Guide to Feel Confident and Comfortable in Any Situation, selling around 60 copies per month, generating around $360 on a monthly basis. A fourth book with a BSR 32,000, selling around 210 copies. As you can tell, really popular. Book number 5 with a BSR of under 100,000, sitting at 74,411, selling around 60 copies, generating around that $300 as well. Take advantage of this wonderful keyword for your title or subtitle. I'll see you in the next one.